Welcome to online class of Rajampur block, Sundar district. Good morning, students. How are you? Are you well? Okay. Last class I have discussed about the indefinite article a and an. I have discussed about use of a and use of an. Today I have discussed the definite article the. The definite article the. Okay. Then that means now we have discussed what is the use of the. आमर दी व्यवहार केउंटी केउंटी हुए आज हम सेटा पढ़िबा. ओके. फर्स्ट द यूज ऑफ दी. फर्स्ट थिंग दी इज यूज्ड टू रेफर टू ए पर्टिकुलर पर्सन और पर्टिकुलर थिंग. ओके. दी इज यूज्ड टू एक्सप्रेस टू रेफर टू ए पर्टिकुलर थिंग और पर्टिकुलर पर्सन. जदि आम कौन गोटे निर्दिष्ट व्यक्ति निर्दिष्ट स्थान निर्दिष्ट वस्तु को जदि आम रेफर करने चाहूँ बुझे चाहूँ ता पूर्व दी व्यवहार करा जाए. एज द डेफिनेट आर्टिकल इट रेफर्स टू द डेफिनाइट और पर्टिकुलर थिंग और पर्टिकुलर पर्सन. ओके. दैट मीन्स सपोज आई से द बॉय स्टैंडिंग देयर is a thief. The boy standing there is a thief. Here the boy refers to the particular. जो पिलाटी सेटा छिड़ा होई से उडे चोर. That means the boy refers to a particular boy. The boy is जोरा कहूजे उटा particular boy बा उटा particular बालक को एठी रेफर करछि. So the is used to refer to the definite or particular thing or particular person. Then the is used before the names of. The is used before the names of before the names of before the names of ocean, sea, groups of island, mountain ranges, groups of island, ocean, sea, groups of island, mountain ranges, holy books, your river, newspaper or magazines, ocean, sea, group of island, mountain ranges, holy books, river, newspaper, holy books, etc. आमर विशेष भाव में केतेक नाउन रो केते जिनसर नाम पूर्व दी व्यवहार कर. That means names of ocean, names of before the names of sea, before the names of groups of island, before the names of mountain ranges, before the names of holy books, river, newspaper, magazines, etc. From the name of the before the names of these things, दी जीव यही नाम पूर्व यही गुड़िकर नाम पूर्व दी व्यवहार करा जाए. फॉर एग्जांपल बिफोर द नेम्स ऑफ सी ओशन द इंडियन ओशन, भारत महासागर इंडियन ओशन is the name of ocean. The will be free. Group of is the name of sea. the Bay of Bengal, the Bay of Bengal Sagar. The Bay of Bengal is the name of a ocean, name of a sea. So the used before the names of sea. Okay. Similarly, groups of island, groups of island, groups of island. The Andamans, the Andamans, Andaman निकोर द्वीपपुंज पूर्व द्वीप व्यवहार करा जाए. Andaman Island is the group of islands. So they use. You should remember it. पिला मन रखा. द्वीपपुंज पूर्व द्वीप व्यवहार करा जाए. But it is not used. They is not used the only single island before the names of single island. को हमारा द्वीपपुंज पूर्व द्वीप व्यवहार करा जाए. किंतु हमारे सिंगल आइलैंड पूर्व द्वीप व्यवहार करा जाए नहीं. Sri Lanka is an island, but they cannot be used here. Because Sri Lanka is not a group of island. Sri Lanka हमारा group of island नहीं है, तब दी ये व्यवहार करा जाए. But Andaman Nicobar as a group of islands. Okay, the mountain ranges. Before the mountain ranges, so I can say the Himalayas. The Himalayas. Himalaya is the group of island. The Alps, Alps Parvatmala. The Alps Parvatmala. Alps, Himalayas are the group of mountain ranges. You should remember, before the names of mountain ranges, these used, but not the single mountain. Mountain पर्वत माला पूर्व ना पूर्व दिवार कर दे. Single mountain पूर्व नहीं है. I cannot say the Everest. These is not used. It is the व्यवहार करा जाए. Everest is not the group of island. Is not the mountain ranges. So तेनु the व्यवहार करा जाए. Okay. Then the names of the holy books. धर्म ग्रंथ नाम पूर्व. The Gita, the Quran पूर्व, Quran, Gita, these are the holy books, holy scriptures, धर्म ग्रंथ एमाने नाम पूर्व दिए व्यवहार करा जाए. Similarly, before the names of rivers पूर्व मध्य दिए व्यवहार करा जाए. समझे? Suppose the Mahanadi is the name of a river. Mahanadi is the name of a river, so the use will be before this name. Mahanadi is the name of river, so the use will be before the names of river. The Mahanadi, the Ganga, the Vaitarani, whatever it may be. The use will be before the names of river. Similarly, they is used before the newspaper. The Samaj is a name of newspaper. The Dharitri. Samaj, the Hindustan Times. These are the names of newspaper. Before the names of newspaper, the okay. Then before the names of newspaper, magazines, or the before the names. Then the before the nationality. They before the names of people or nations. They before the names of people or nations. For example, I can say the English. The English means the people of England. The people of England. We can say the English. कौन सी देशवासी नाम पूर्व आमर नेशनालिटी अर्थ दी व्यवहार करा जाए. The people of England, I can say the English. Similarly, people of India, I can say the Indians. Similarly, people of America, the Americans. अमेरिकार व्यक्ति आम कह द अमेरिकान्स नेशनलिटी ग्रुप व्यवहार कर जाए. पीपल ऑफ न्यूजीलैंड, पीपल ऑफ न्यूजीलैंड, पीपल ऑफ न्यूजीलैंड, Similarly, people of New Zealand, the Kiwis, people of New Zealand. People of Scotland, the Scottish. People of Netherlands. Similarly, all the people of nationality or people of group the व्यवहार करा जाए. Okay. Then these use before the ordinals and superlative. These use before the ordinals and superlative. Before the ordinals and superlative. और ऑर्डिनल और सुपरलेटिव पर दी व्यवहार करते हैं. ऑर्डिनल मीन्स सपोज फर्स्ट, सेकेंड, थर्ड, these are called the ordinal numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, then these numerical numbers are called the cardinal. But फर्स्ट, सेकेंड, थर्ड पूर्णवाचक ओडिया कहते पूर्णवाचक संख्या. पूर्णवाचक पूर्व आज व्यवहार करा जाए. he is the first boy, in this class. He is the first boy in this class. First is a ordinal number. So this is the second time I have seen you. मैं ऐसा द्वितीय थर तुम पाई तुमको देखो जी. The second, the third, the fourth, the fifth. We can say it. We can tell it. The is used before the ordinals. Similarly, before the superlative, the is used. Today is the hottest day of this month. Today is the hottest day of this month. आज दिन होते ये मंथ थोड़ा गर्म दिन है. Hot or hottest. Hottest is the superlative degree of hot. So this is used before the superlative degree. तेणु आम कौन जान सुपरलेटिव डिग्री कि ऑर्डिनल पूर्व दी व्यवहार करा जाए. सिमिलरली they is used before the public building, institutions, etc. Public building, institutions, associations, etc. They is used before the names of public buildings, institutions, associations, etc. That means before the public building, before the institutions and associations, etc. The Taj Mahal. The Taj Mahal. They is used before the names of Taj Mahal. This is a public building. The Taj Mahal. Similarly, I can say the National Museum. The National Museum. The National Museum. The National Museum. National Museum is a public building. So this is used before the public building. Similarly, the United Nations. द यूनाइटेड नेशन पूर्व मत दी व्यवहार करा जाए इट इज एसोसिएशन सो दे बिफोर द पब्लिक बिल्डिंग इंस्टीट्यूशंस एसोसिएशंस तो एवरी नाम पूर्व दी व्यवहार करा जाए सिमिलरली they used before the names of provinces countries they used before the provinces before the names of some countries similar provinces names of some countries they used before the names of provinces names of countries in some countries for example I can say the USA the United States of America the UK that means the United Kingdom the United Kingdom the USA United States of America the USA. Similarly, the UK, the USA, the USSR, Union of Soviet Socialist Republic, जोड़ा ही बर्तन है USSR, the UAE, United Arab Emirates, the UAE, the UK, the USA, the USSR. So we can read. Okay. Before an adjective, they use before an adjective as a noun. They use before an adjective. They use before an adjective as a noun. Adjective को noun कला बड़े आमर मध्य दी व्यवहार करा जाए. They use before an adjective as a noun. Before an adjective as a noun. Before an adjective as a noun. गोटे एडजेक्टिव पूर्व दी व्यवहार करा जाए ताऊ नाउन भाव व्यवहार करा जाए केमिति सपोज आई कैन से द वर्क डिपेंड ऑन द रिच द पुअर डिपेंड ऑन द रिच here the poor the rich the poor means poor people the poor means poor people here poor people poor is an adjective you can use before the adjective the when we use the before the poor then before the adjective it becomes a noun poor people. So the rich means rich people. The blind people. We can say the blind. We can write the blind in place of blind people. Blind people न लिखिए हमें the blind मतलब लिख करेगा. The blind means blind people. Similarly, they before an adjective as a noun. They before some names which are the unique things. हमारा कहते unique things है ता पूर्व दी व्यवहार करा जाए. तेरा कौन सी सब से सोरे धर रहेगा the sun the moon या माने names of sun the before sun before the moon before the names of planets एवढे ना सब कौन ग्रह उपग्रह आम सन मून एमाने पूर्व नाम पूर्व दी व्यवहार करा जाए. द मार्स बुध the Mars the Earth Mars ला मंगल the Mars the Venus it is the names of all these are names of planets पूर्व हम दी मध्य व्यवहार कर जाए. All these are the rules of where we use the. Okay. Okay, students.